it's so fun. Me and my sister, we have like almost like the best spot, we think, and I'm gonna show you guys it. But like, it's really really cool, and I'm so excited. It starts at 4, and the time is like 3:55. So like, we have to wait like 5 minutes. There's a boat behind us that we were supposed to be on, but like it's too full. So like we get to go on this like almost like empty boat, which is nice and cool. Hey guys. Okay, so this is when the boat has started moving and like we were taking off, and I just wanted to record it and show you guys. Priscilla. Say hi, Priscilla. Hi. Make sure those pillows are not full. Look at the way. Where? The ones you're leaning on, don't let them fall. Or they will. So I was actually talking in this clip, but quietly, because the captain of the boat was talking and I didn't want to be rude, but I just wanted to tell you guys that he was just telling us all about like the place and how it was, and the whole boat trip in total was like an hour, so that's how long it would take. And he was just talking about like some of the houses and shops that we saw on the way while we were going, and I thought that was just really cool. And guys, if you can see in this clip, there were lots of people on the boat. We didn't expect there to be lots of people, but there were more people that were just coming, and people from the other boat decided to come on as well. Give it to the next person. Guys, I want to say, I was just looking because the sunlight was so much and I couldn't really see. And I was kind of embarrassed just to like talk on my phone while recording and stuff. Okay guys, so like, what's the time? I don't know. Okay. It's, so my sister asked me to take pictures of her, and like I just had to violate a little bit. I just wanted to play around, but I'm not that evil, so I did end up taking pictures of her. But it was just funny seeing how she looked when it was like all zoomed in, and she didn't even clock until the end. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of hoping that we'd go in like the left or right one, but we ended up going straight. I was just telling my sister that if I touch the next one, it should give me money, because she was telling me to touch it. Because she was touching all of the bridges, and I was like, I don't want to touch them. I'd only touch them for something. But I did end up touching one for fun, because I just felt like it and I wanted to. If I touch the next one, what are you doing? Me and my sisters were just like naming what the boats looked like, because some of them looked really cool and really weird and stuff. So I ended up recording this video of my sister. It was nice, but when I showed it to her, she thought she was that girl. She thought she was in her golden era. Like, I was the one who did that. I literally was able to make the sun look really good on her and make it look really glowy at the start and all of that. Come on now, it's all me. Credits to me. Tell me why this girl was making me record her for so long. She was making me record her look around and all of that, and I just thought it was kind of funny. I just decided to add it in to show you guys what she's like. It was so funny and so embarrassing. Oh, she's my God! I just found her very, very funny. So you couldn't really hear me in this clip because of the background noises, the wind, people talking, and me talking quietly. But I was just talking about how I love how it looks and the view and the water, and it was really cool, and I really loved being in Amsterdam. And yeah, just how I found it really nice and comforting. So this was the last clip I have left, and this clip was of the dancing houses, I think it's called. Yeah, we passed that, and he said how it was really popular and famous, and how we should probably record it, and I did. And why they call dancing houses is because back in the day, when it was I don't know what time it was around, but people couldn't actually build houses properly. So they weren't straight, they were tilting. So those houses in the video, they were tilting because they didn't know how to build houses properly. But yeah, now they just filled in the gaps. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But anyways, that's all for this video, guys. Bye.